Welcome to Maths Tech, your source of great learning. Today is the part 9 oblique 5 addition and subtraction with the scientific notation. While solving such type of questions, always remember our very first basic step is to look towards the power of the exponents. If they are the same, simply add the coefficients. Here it is 10 raised to the power 4 and here it is also 10 raised to the power 4. So what we are going to do, we will simply add the coefficients of both the terms. That will be 5 plus 2, that is 7, and our answer will be 7 times 10 raised to the power 4. Here it is our answer. In the second problem, here we have 5 times 10 raised to the power 5 plus 7 times 10 raised to the power 5. Here in both the cases, the powers are the same, 10 raised to the power 5, 10 raised to the power 5. Simply add the numbers 5 plus 7, that makes 12. 12 times 10 raised to the power 5. But remember, we have to reduce this 12 to a significant figure. What we are going to do, we will simply move the decimal one place towards the left and it will come over here. And remember, when we move the decimal one place towards the left, we will simply increase the exponent to one place. And it will be 1.2 times 10 raised to the power 6. Or you can simply write it over here for your own simplification, 5 plus 1. That makes 6. In the third example, we have 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 7 plus 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. Here again, what we are going to do, first we have to look towards the power of the exponents. Here it is 10 raised to the power minus 7 and here it is also 10 raised to the power minus 7. So simply add the coefficient 6 plus 5, that makes 11. 11 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. But we have to reduce it to a significant figure. And we will move this decimal that lies over here one place towards the left over here. And when we move our decimal one place towards the left, we will simply add 1 towards the exponent and that will be minus 7 plus 1 and here it will become 1.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. This is your answer. Okay, let me write it again. 1.1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. There, this is your answer. Okay, let me change the page. Here I have question number 4. That here it is a subtraction problem. And here we have 7 times 10 raised to the power minus 5 minus 3 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Again, look for the power of the exponents. Here it is same and here it is also the same. So what we are going to do, we will simply write it as 7 minus 3. That will simply be written as 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. Or okay, let me write it over here. 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. This is your answer over here. In the question number 5, here we have 15 times 10 raised to the power 7 minus 12 times 10 raised to the power 7. Our very first basic step is to look towards the power of the exponents. Here it is 10 raised to the power 7 and here it is also 10 raised to the power 7. What we are going to do, we will simply subtract this 12 from 15 and it will give us the answer. That will be 3 times 10 raised to the power 7. This is our answer. In the question number 6, it is somewhat different from the rest of the questions. Subtract 6 times 10 raised to the power 4 from 5 times 10 raised to the power 5. Here the exponents are not the same. In the first term, here it is 10 raised to the power 4, but here it is 10 raised to the power 5. But I have told you, when you are going to increase the exponent simply to make it 10 raised to the power 5, in this way it will become equal to this. And you know how it can be. Here it is 6 times 10 raised to the power 4. What we will do, we will simply move the decimal one place towards the left over here. And when we move this decimal one place towards the left, towards the left, it will add in the exponent power. So it will be 0.6 times 10 raised to the power 5. Now you can easily see that here it is 0.6 times 10 raised to the power 5. Now here it is 10 raised to the power 5, and here it is also 10 raised to the power 5. So what we will do, we will simply subtract it now. We will write now this term 5 times 10 raised to the power 5, and here 0.6 times 10 raised to the power 5. Now we can simply minus or subtract. Simply 0 over here, and here it is 10, here it becomes 4. So 10 minus 6, 4, 4 point, and 4 times 10 raised to the power 5. This is your answer. Simply remember that while subtracting such type of problems where you have to increase the exponent power, simply pick up that exponent power which is lower in value. So that's why we have picked up this 10 raised to the power 4. It was our question number 6. Now let me change the page. Here our last problem of this exercise. Subtract 5 times 10 raised to the power 4 from 4 times 10 raised to the power 5. Simply pick up this exponent. Why? Because it is lower in value and it will help you in solving this question. So when I write it as 5 times 10 raised to the power 4, now I'm going to move the decimal towards the left from here to one place towards the left, and it will come over here. So it will become 0.5 times 10 raised to the power 5. How? Because we have moved the decimal one place towards the left, and simply it will add 1 over here. Now we can easily subtract it from 4 times 10 raised to the power 5. Let me do it for you. 4 times 10 raised to the power 5, and here it is 0.5 10 raised to the power 5. So 0.0 over here, and here it will become 10, here it will become 3, 10 minus 5, 5.3.5 times 10 raised to the power 5 over here. So this is your answer. This is the end of this exercise. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and learned a lot. It was question number 7. Here it is question number 4, 5, and 6. So thanks for your time. So please subscribe to my channel, and in the next video I will be coming up with a question which contains the decimal parts. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your time. Please.